Good morning, everyone. This is our beautiful Christmas tree here in Aberdeen Court. We are in Aberdeen Court. We are having our uh, program later this afternoon. So we are having our chika chika today. Just chika chika today. Chika chika. They have a beautiful flowers here.